Yeah, I want to teach you guys how to use your mobile topography. Yeah, your mobile topographer. Immediately you or somebody send you this mobile topographer or you download it. I don't think this topographer, look at it. This particular mobile topographer is on Play Store again. But if you have someone that have it, it can be useful for some of us architects and the rest. Maybe if you have a client that has not yet surveyed his property, or his land, you can use this to just get the site plan you use to work or you use for your building plan or to plan the environment. Because it's always good to think about the environment before you start building, so you can put down your setbacks and other things and place the house or every other facility where it's supposed to be. So immediately you get this topography, you just click on it. You can see it. When you click on it, just allow it, then you go to this three dot and go to setting. When you go to setting, you go to this geodetic reference system. You click on this and you find Mina. Let's find it. Mina. This. You can see this. Yes. Think this would be preferable for us. Click to this. This is exactly the one you want to use. This is preferable. Yes, and you check this. Some points you leave it, and you leave every other thing the way it is. So after setting this to that Mina 2008, this you can see it on my screen. Then you just remove this, remove it entirely, and come back again to it. Click back to it again. When you have clicked to it, you come here. The main reason why I installed this is because of to get my coordinates, to get my points in any land that does not have a survey plan. Maybe if you have a village land, maybe the person has not yet done the survey, just go with your mobile phone without tape and you just get the measurement. You get the measurement and also the points, and work with it, so you can be able to plan the environment well. So after getting this is the main thing you will use. You go to this survey. When you go to this survey, you see it like this. What you do is to change this. You click on this world map here, you click on it, that's come to what you want. Then you allow it to read a while. You go to the first point you want to get. When you stand on the first point, you click on this green button. When you click on this green button, maybe you stand for a while. Maybe stand for about 3, 4, 5 minutes. You allow it to read before you pick the point. Immediately, if you are satisfied of standing and you are sure that it has gotten the coordinate you are getting is this accurate positioning, not this accurate reading. Accurate positioning, which is the red, which is this one down. Immediately you are satisfied that it has gotten to where you want, you stop it. When you stop it, then you say point, then you give it a name. You give your point a name. You may say point one, point one. So you know where it is starting, or you give it whatever thing you know. Then you say okay. Then you move to another point. When you move to another point that you want to get, you still tap this green button. When it has reached to where you think it is okay, when you have stand for about 4 minutes there, and you are sure you have gotten the point, and you just also click this and go to this plus sign too, and point two. You give it point two. So okay. So that is how you continue reading your points till you get till you get to the last point you want. Then when you are done with it, you just go here. When you go here, you can see your coordinate, the latitude and longitude. That is your coordinate point. You can copy it and go back to your AutoCAD to plot it. If you go through my YouTube, you will see where the video where you can input your coordinates to get your site or your survey plan. Thank you so much, and I hope you understood this.